Good afternoon, children. Today we are going to start Political Science, Chapter 1, Forms of Government. In forms of government, you have to know about the state and government. So what is state? The state is sovereign, political, territorial community of people which functions through its government. Now the government is the political machinery, organization, agency of the state which exercises political authority, be making, implementing and enforcing laws, decisions and policies on all the people and their groups and associations living within the territory of the state. Now, some political scientists, they classified the state into three categories. What are these three categories? Number one is totalitarian state, number two authoritarian state, and number three liberal democratic state. So we are coming back to first point, totalitarian state. What is the meaning of totalitarian state? Different scientists said different way of totalitarian state. Totalitarian state is one in which the state has full control over the whole life of the individual. One great political scientist, Finner, he said totalitarian state is the veritable contradictory of the liberal democratic types of government. The scope and authority of government is not limited, but just the reverse is total. This is about the state, totalitarian state. Now coming to another point, what is the meaning of authoritarian state? Authoritarian state is very near to a totalitarian state, but it is far away from democratic state. According to C.H. Dillon, all authority and power are concentrated in the hand of few, that is the government, whose rule is essentially not responsible. The people participate in few of their decisions but are subject to all of them. This is about authoritarian state. Coming back to the last point, what is the meaning of liberal democratic state? It is one in which people's power is supreme. People are sovereign and they themselves elect and organize their government. The government always works according to the dictates of public opinion. It is popularly elected representative government which is continuously responsive, responsible and accountable to the public opinion. This is about the state of forms of government. Now we are coming back to the chart again. You can see in modern state there is point number one, totalitarian state. It has two different parts. One is communist and other is fascist. In second point you can see authoritarian state. It has also two parts. One is military dictatorship and other is civil dictatorship. Both are run by the autocracy and dictatorship. In third part we can see that democratic state, it is also called liberal democratic state. It has two subdivisions. One is direct democracy, another is indirect democracy. Today up to this much. Thank you, student.